Good morning, Sparky Sparks here. Okay, so even I still get nervous going to a new place with my hair on. It just happened. So I've been wearing hair about a year, and you can hear my high heels clicking. I'm on my way to a local church in my neighborhood. I haven't been to this church before, but I thought, I always tell people, if you want to get to know the fabric of the community, go to church. Or if you don't, you don't. So no judgment. But I just wanted to share that even in this moment, as I'm walking just a couple of blocks to get here, I'm like thinking, how's my hairline look? How do I feel? Does it look real? So just to let you know, I still go through it. Hope that helps.